So once you have the YSI calibrated from inside, you can just turn it on and take off the sleeve. And you want this to be fully submerged underwater because this part takes some of the readings. Okay, I want to switch. Okay.
So you have to kind of lower it down so that it doesn't end up in the mud down there.
So if you want to switch, you can write down some of these. So we have temperature in Celsius first. Perfect. Okay, this is the dissolved oxygen percentage, so that's like how much oxygen is in the water. It's up here.
That one?
Yeah. Perfect. And then this is the salinity.
This one?
Yeah. So that's in parts per thousand. That's what Jack was talking about earlier. It's like 29.6.